Good afternoon. Today I'm at Boone Lake. I think I'm going to give the bass here a shot today and see what we can catch. Hopefully we'll get some good ones. We'll see what we catch. There's one. He feels pretty good now. He's not a bad one. Just gotta get him on over here. Whoa. What'd you do with my bait? Knocked it off, I guess. Huh. Somehow I got you in the bottom. Let's see, bud. Just need to open that flap. I don't know. Yeah. There we go. Hey, not bad. See you, buddy. Nice. Huh. Found a dog harness. There's a deer hanging out right there. Hey, got one right off the bank. Little guy. Whew. Pretty, we'll see you, buddy. There we go, yeah, good one. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good one. Be easy with him on these rocks. He's a little smaller than I thought, but he's bigger than that last one though. Not too bad. See you, buddy. Yeah, I wanted to take a second and just show what all I found on the bank. I found a Keitech, and it only had one left, and I went ahead and rigged it up here. Let's see. Yeah, figured since I was fishing with swim baits, I'd try it out for a minute. It's like a chartreuse color, and then a pack with like 5 grubs in it, and a Mr. Twister grub, and then like a dog harness and a leash. Small, extra small. Yeah. a lot of stuff just laying on the bank here. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and call it a day here for now. Ended up catching a few fish and seen some deer and found a bunch of stuff on the bank, so altogether it's a pretty good day. If you had a good time with me, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I put out new fishing videos every Sunday. Thanks for watching.